50 essential sentences using has or have for everyday conversations. 1. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. 2. She has a beautiful smile. 3. We have enough time to finish this task. 4. They have a new car. 5. He has 2 younger brothers. 6. I have a question for the teacher. 7. You have a great sense of humor. 8. She has an important exam tomorrow. 9. We have a holiday next week. 10. I have a headache today. 11. He has a lot of work to do. 12. They have tickets for the concert. 13. Do you have a pen I can borrow? 14. She has a great idea for the project. 15. I have some free time in the evening. 16. He has a nice collection of books. 17. We have a surprise planned for you. 18. They have a pet dog named Max. 19. I have a strong feeling about this. 20. She has a meeting with her manager. 21. Do you have time to talk now? 22. He has a new phone. 23. We have plenty of food for the party. 24. I have confidence in your abilities. 25. She has a beautiful garden. 26. They have a lot of friends in this city. 27. I have an idea to improve this design. 28. He has a gift for his friend's birthday. 29. We have a family gathering this weekend. 30. Do you have plans for tonight? 31. She has experience in this field. 32. I have nothing to wear for the event. 33. He has a habit of waking up early. 34. We have something exciting to share. 35. They have a large backyard. 36. I have no doubts about your skills. 37. She has a kind heart. 38. Do you have a charger for my phone? 39. He has a new hobby, photography. 40. We have so much to discuss today. 41. They have a flight to catch this evening. 42. I have been working hard all week. 43. She has a passion for painting. 44. He has a bright future ahead. 45. We have a lot to be grateful for. 46. Do you have any suggestions for dinner? 47. They have a fun trip planned for summer. 48. I have a feeling this will work out. 49. She has a lot of talent in music. 50. He has an interesting story to share. These sentences reflect practical, everyday uses of have to convey ownership, experiences, and actions.